Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So this app is already on Google Play Store. So open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers and all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. So when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for Alexis VPN. Alexis VPN, this is the app. So among the presented, you pick this one. So make sure to install the right app. Take note of the app name and also take note of the app icon. And after that, please, before using this VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage. So also make sure to follow them. And lastly, make sure to follow your ISP internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage in your country before using this app, and make sure to follow them. So you open the app to set it up, to do some settings, and the app will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So first of all, you're required to tap on the three lines, and from here you tap on check updates. And when you tap on check updates, this app will start to check for the available updates, and it will update to the latest version, and it will be able to provide you with the list configured settings ready to secure connection. After that, you're required to pick a server where you see auto server right here. Tap here, then you pick from any of the presented servers, for example Singapore, and Singapore free, or you can pick auto server. If you pick auto server, the app will automatically pick the best working server in your location. And after that, you're required to pick a connection method. For example, if your country supports UDP, you pick this option of all network, all countries UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are online, and UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. So in case UDP is not working in your country, simply tap, and in the search bar you can search for your country name, and then you'll be able to connect. But if your country supports UDP, I recommend you to pick all country UDP. So you can either search for your country name here, or you can just simply pick it. For today's video, let's pick all country, all network UDP. And after that, you're required to insert a connection, a fast and a secure connection, and to add extra protection when you are online by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, this app will be connected. So you just give it a few seconds for it to connect, and you will see that app here, it will change the status to protected, indicating that the app is connected. And that's how we set up Alexis VPN to get a secure connection, extra protection when we are online, and also to enhance on our online activities when you are using the internet.